So hello everyone, in this video I am going to discuss a coding ninja problem on bit manipulation. In this problem we have given two integer a and b, and we need to output that how we can obtain b from a, means how many bits we need to flip in a to obtain b. Simply this is the question. So suppose we have given, let's say, 7, its binary representation would be 0 1 1. We have given 12 and its binary representation would be 1 1 0 0. Now I want to obtain 12 from 7. How can I do that? I need to flip this bit to 0 and this bit to 0 and this to 1. Means total I need to flip 3 bits. Okay. So this is the question. Now how we are going to do this? So let me first of all add the page. So let's take an example. Let's take example 6 and 28. 6 binary representation of 6 would be 1 1 0, and binary representation of 28 would be 1 1 1 0 0. So the approach of the question would be something like कि first of all I will find number of bits in A, number of bits, let's say, in A, number of bits in B. Now max of their bits I will iterate a loop. Okay, so how can I find number of bits in A and B? To find number of bits in A, suppose let's say b1 is number of bits in A. How can I do that? I will use the function log to A plus 1. This will gives us the number of bits in A. So here the output would be 3 since there are 6 bits, 3 bits in 6. Okay, now if I define b2 log to b plus 1, this will gonna output 5 because number of bits in 28 would be 5. Okay, so now the approach would be something like, since given to us 0, so both the bits are same, I need to do nothing. Here I need to flip one bit, it means I need to flip it to 0. Okay, now these both the bits are same, I need to do nothing. Now there are no bits, means 0 would be there because we know the range of integer is 32 bits. So I need to flip this to 1 to make it equal. Similarly here 0 would be, so I need to flip it to 1 to get 28. Now how I am gonna do that? 6 would be equal to 0 0 1 1 0. Okay, and 28 would be 0 1 1 1 0 0. So this, okay, so I will create a mask. Let's say the value of mask would be 1. First I will do a and mask, a and mask. Now the value of mask is 1 and I will do mask it with 6. So the output of mask would be, since it is 0 and it is 1, so in that case my output would be 0. Similarly I do mask with 28, it is 0, it is 1. Now their mask would be 0 and I will do XOR in between them. So here I will get 0. Since I get the 0, there is no need to count because both the bits are same. But in the case suppose it was 1. Okay, now the mask, I will left shift mask by 1. Now in the after doing this, the value of mask would be 0 1 0. Okay, so I will do 6 and mask, so this will output 1, and 28 and mask, this would output 0. Now XOR of these both would be 1, so I will count plus plus in this case. So this is how I need to approach to this question. So if I show you how to code, first I will find number of bits in A1, A and B. So I will use the function log2n plus 1, and number of bits in B2 would be log2b plus 1. This will give me number of bits in A and B. Now I will find max of both. Let's say int maxi a variable. This will store max of b1 and b2. Once I got both the things, what I will do, I will run a loop that will, the condition of loop would be this. Now let's have a mask, int mask equal to 1. I need to define it outside the loop because on every iteration the mask would be this. So now look, and need a variable to count. Now if a and mask and b and mask, once I got the value of a and mask and I got the value of b and mask, I will do XOR between them to check if both are equal or not. If both are equal, then they will output 0. If both weren't equal, then they will output 1. So when they both are not equal, in that case I need to do count plus plus. That's exactly what I am doing. So this would be the condition. Now I will left shift the mask equal to mask left shift by 1. Once I did it, I need to minus equal to 1, yeah, minus minus whatever I wish I can do that. Return count. Seems I did something wrong. Let me check. Yeah, missing semicolon. Okay. So all the test cases got passed. Let me submit it once. Yeah, it got accepted. So this is how I need to approach this problem.